So I already have it. As you can see, there is my balance right there. So as you can see, 3,000 CNG coins in my account. So the last year Coinsbit ran another airdrop which was successful, and a lot of people were able to claim some free coins from this new exchange, which basically started off like somewhere around in the first quarter of 2019 according to this roadmap, right? So this is a new opportunity right here. So if you're seeing this video before the 1st of 2020, click the links down below, take action as soon as possible, and follow everything that I'm about to share with you in this video so that you can secure yourself $300 worth of CNG coin, which is soon to be launched on this platform right here, coinsbit.com, which is an exchange. So it's coinsbit.io, but the links is down below. So it's a referral link. You can just click on it and you'll be able to secure yourself $300 worth of CNG coin. So previously, the last airdrop they did, the CNB token, and it was a success, and a lot of people were able to gain on that, but I missed out on it. So I did not verify my account on time, so that's why I'm making this video, to help anybody out there who needs to verify their account and just show you the process, because this time I was able to verify my account on time. And basically I'm just going to show you in my wallet what I have. Obviously it's not withdrawable yet, because you still have to wait for the airdrop to finish before you'll be able to withdraw, right? But as you can see, this exchange is already verified on some of the big websites that we look up to, like Yahoo, Bitcoin.com, Forbes, and so forth. So you can be sure that this is a legit platform. And as I said, the previous one was a success. So I'm just gonna go down to my let me see if I can go to my account right there, and then I should be able to show you guys my verification. So to be able to verify your account, you basically need to create your account with exactly the same details that are on the document that you're going to send in for verification, right? So basically what I did is I followed the procedure. Basically what I did is I signed up for using another person's referral link so I can secure that $300 worth of CNG coin. And if I can just take you back to before, as you can see right here, dear Coinbit users, this is like the message you get when you click on the link down below, so that you'll be able to see what's going on. All new members, all new users who sign up between the 2202, so that's February, and between May till 20005, so I think until the end of May. So if you're seeing this video anytime in May and it's still available, take chance of that and be able to secure yourself some CNG coins for free. You'll be able to as you can see, it's worth $300 airdrop in CNG coin. You just have to register, pass the KYC, which is a verification, and subscribe to the Telegram group for updates and so forth. So just 3 easy levels, and as you can see, you can also refer other people, and this is how the referral thing starts. That's how it works. So basically that's you can go through that and read it on your own. But anyways, let's just get back to my accounts where I already verified. All you have to do, you can actually ask somebody to help you verify your account. What you need to do is to hold up your document, your ID document, and make sure it's very clear when you take the picture, as well as a note that just has coinsbit.io and that date that you want to send in your verification, right? So when you send in your verification, you just need to have those two. On the one's hand, you need to have your document that you're using to verify. Maybe it's your ID, it's your license, your national document in that country, and then the note with just your coinsbit.io and the date that you have written that note on, and then send that. Just ask somebody to take a picture of you, make sure it's clear, everything is readable and so forth, and then just follow that procedure, upload the documents, and then once they verify you, they'll send you an email, and then you're under verification. You have this green tick right here, as you can see, and then that's basically all that you need to do right there. Anyways, I'm just going to go and show you my balances so that I can show you that I've already secured my 300 CNG, because I created my account. As I said, I created a new account after realizing that the other one I was not able to get any new coins, because it had already expired and I missed out on the first airdrop. So I made sure that I actually verify my account in time for this one. So I basically secured my 300 CNG, and whenever it happens, whenever it comes out, I'll be able to have those coins in my account. So I already have it. As you can see, there is my balance right there. So as you can see, 3,000 CNG coins in my account. So once they officially launch the coin, I'll be able to transfer it to my tradable account, and then we'll be able to trade it for any of the currency pairs that would be there that you can trade it with. So once that comes out, I think I might make another video to update you on that and basically see what is going on. But I also have a Telegram channel where you can join and stay up to date. So you just find the links down below. All the links will be there, all the useful links, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn notifications so that you don't miss any new videos when I upload them. And thanks a lot for watching the video all the way to the end. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions. Otherwise, as I say, the Telegram group, you can just join and then I'll be able to help you from there. So that's basically, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on this. So this chance is still there, as you can see, until 2005. So I think it is until the end of May. But as soon as you see this video, just make sure that you actually click the links down below and verify your account as soon as possible so that you secure yourself some CNG coin airdrop from Coinsbit, one of the most trusted new exchanges. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.